Okay, students, see on the screen. Up to 45 minutes, everyone should maintain silence. Okay. So, students, okay, students, the first code, that is height of any tree, height of BST. Okay. Yeah. So here already I'm taken a code here. Okay, students, let's see. So here I'm taking one BST. That BST having total 3 nodes. 3 nodes it is having. What is that? 50, 30. So today we are going to discuss total three codes. Height. One is a height code. One is AVL or not, and one more AVL rotations. These three codes I am going to discuss in 40 to 60 minutes. Okay. So if you understand this concept well, everyone, if you understand this concept well, then you can understand these two concepts are very much easy. Getting everyone? For is AVL or not, that height function is important. That AVL rotation also height function is important. So let us see the first one, height. That is the first one, height. So here 50, 30, 20. Students, there are two ways we can calculate the height. Based on this question, based on this scenario, we are using two cases. I can tell you the height of this particular tree is 3 and 2. 3 and 2. When we'll say 3 is, the number of nodes from root 2 to leaf. Root 2 to leaf, how many nodes are there? 3. And we can also say that in some situations we are using the height equal to 2. The height equal to 2. How many edges are there? 2 edges. How many edges? 2 edges. So depends on the problem. Sometimes we are using 3, sometimes we are using 2. Okay. Now in my case, I'm using number of nodes. I'm taking the example. I'm not taking edges. I'm taking what? Nodes. I'm taking what, students? Nodes. Is clear, everyone? Getting everyone? So total number of nodes are how many? 3. So that's why what's the height here? 3. So how you can identify, sir, in the code? That code is find out the height with the help of nodes or edges. Simple. When in the code, if they return -1, it is called by using edges. In the code, if they return 0, in the code, if they return what you have to conclude that? Nodes. If you write -1, the height will become what? Edges. If you write 0, the height will become what? Number of nodes. Is clear, everyone? Now you know very well, students, the structure of a node. Everyone knows it. The structure of a node. Next, structure of a node. Next, it is a create function. You know very well, right? And it is an insert function, right? Insert function. Now, from the main function, students, main function, first of all, my root equals to null. After that, I am taking inserted. The element is what? 50. Yes, 50 is inserted. 50 is inserted. Yes or no? What is inserted here? 50 is inserted. Next element, 30 is inserted to the root. 30 is inserted to the root. Yes. Next element is what? 20. I told these codes already in the class. How to insert, how it is moving to the left side, how it is moving to the right side. Everything I told in the class itself, in the previous class. I think so 1 month before. I think so. These are all we completed. Now after this, what is a BST is created? 50, 30, 20 is created. Clear everyone? What is created? 50, 30, 20. Now what I'm doing, I want to find out the height of this particular road. Height of this road. Okay. Now students, now in this particular diagram, the 50 node address is 555. 30 node address is 333. 20 node address is what? 222. 50 is actually stored at which location? 555 location. 30 is stored which location? 333. 20 is stored which location? 222. The node address I'm telling. I'm not written in this. I'm not written in this, but you have to understand that when I'm using 555, it is the 50 node address. When I'm using 333, it is which node address? 30. When I'm using 222, which node address? 20. Now tell me students, what root what root storing? Root storing 50 or 555? 555. What root is storing? 555. Root is storing 555. In 555, 50 is there. Now what it's left? What's its left? 30. What it's right? Null. Now 30 left is what? 20. 30 right is what? Null. Please tell me everyone. 50 left is what? 50 right? Everyone please tell me. 50 left. 50 right. 30 left. 30 right. Now tell me in the form of addresses. What is the root node address? What is the root node address? 555 left. 333. 555 left. 333. 333 right. 333 right. 333 left. 555 right. 555 left. 333. 555 right. Null. 555 left. 333. 555 left is okay. Now you got this structure. Now from the main function, students, I'm calling the height function. I'm calling which function? Height function. What you are passing here? Root. Root and enta mani ikkada 50 or 555? 555. Yes, I'm written here. Main function I'm calling. From the main function, I'm calling which function? Height function. What you passed here? 555. Clear everyone? 555 you passed. 555 you passed means what? This entire tree you are passing to this function. Now it is moving to the that height function. So what is the height function? Let us see, students. Now this particular 555 is passed to here, height function. Let us read everyone. Height function. Please tell me what height function having the fields. If whatever the root you take it, if it is null, return 0. If these what is our root value? 555 is equals to null. Condition is what, students? False. False means it will comes to here. It is going to find out LH, left height, equals to, again it is calling the same function, height of root points to left, RH equals to height of root points to right. Tell me everyone, what is the first condition? Tell me. Root equals to null. If this is true, what you are going to do? Return 0. Or else what we are going to do? Left height, right height. What is left height? Height of root points to left. What is right height? Height of root points to right. Next, after find outing left height, after find outing right height, we are going to apply conditional operator here. If left height greater than right height, students, left height colon right height, then plus 1. You know conditional operator, any one value will come in the output. Then you have to add what? Plus 1. So this particular function I represented here in this diagram. Okay. So height equal to how much? Tell me everyone. Root equal to how much? 555. So in this diagram, students, in this diagram, try to understand. So now here, from the main function root 555 is passed to now temporary root. I'm writing here, students, temporary root, T root. What this is, students? T root. Temporary root. Temporary root equal to what we stored now? 555. Yes. Now coming to here, tell me 555 is equal to null, condition is false. Then what you have to apply? LH equals to LH and ND, left height equals to height of root points to left. Height of root points to left. What is the root points left? What it is having? Root points left hand students, root points left hand 333. Root points right hand null. Root points left is 333. Root points right is what? Null. So here I am written it. LH equals to height of 333. Height of root points left. What I written? What I written students? 333. 333 and ND. Root points left. Which root? Which root? 555. 555 left is what? 333. 555 right is what? Null. Are you getting everyone? Now, which function you are calling again? Height of 333, height of null. Height of 333, height of null. Then you have to call. Left side I am written height of 333. Yes, I am written here. Again, height of 333 is nothing but students. Again, in the place of this, you have to replace what? In the place of this, what you are going to replace? Now, 333 you have to pass. 333 again, it is not equals to null, condition is what? False. Again it is going to find out what? Left height equals to what? Right height equals to what? Left height equals to height of root points left. Which root? 333. Now I am writing here. Now one more temporary root is coming now. It's a temporary root. Temporary root. Temporary root. Okay, but in the code I am taken as root, temporary root. Okay, now temporary root equals to how much students? 333. 333 is equals to null, condition is false. Then again what you have to do? LH equals to height of root points left. Can you tell me what is the height of 333 left? 333 left how much students? 222. Yes, 222 I passed here. And what is 333 right? 333 right? Null. Yes, left side I passed 322. Right side what I passed students? Null. Here what I should pass here? Null students. It's clear everyone. Once again we'll check from beginning. First of all, main function. From the main function, which root you call first? 555. So from 555 you went here. Again 555 left is 333. 555 right is what? Null. Condition is it will went to the again 333 function. When you go to the 333 function, students, again it is moving to which function? Left is what is there? 222. Yes. LH equals to height of root points left. What are the root points left of 333? 222. Yes, it is now LH again height of 222. I have written here height of 222. Again in the place of these students, you have to replace 222. 222 is equals to null. Condition is what students? False. Again you have to find out LH left height equals to height of 222 left, height of 222 right. Yes, I have written here. Yes, 222 left is what? 222 left is what students? Null. 222 right is also what? Null. Both are null. So now the height function you are calling with how much value? Null. Tell me everyone. Height function 222 left hand students? Null. Height of null. LH equal to height of null. Yes, height function now call null. Students, now what it indicates that now you are okay. It is a temporary root. So after this, your root value, what it becomes students? Null. Emochid managi null. Again applying this code, the root value now it is become size what? It's our no students. Emochid chepandi height of root points left. Null you passed to the height function. Null 2 times you passed left side height of null. So height of null root equals to null. So null equals to null, condition is true. Then what it is going to return? 0. Now here students, here in the replay, after calling LH of height of null from here to here, so here we got that what it is going to return back. Return back how much? 0. It indicates that, students listen carefully, it indicates that LH equal to what the answer you got now? 0. Next, in this particular code, in this particular 332 code, again how many lines of code is pending? LH is completed. Next code is what? RH. RH value also how much you pass? Height of null. Height of null you pass, students. Again what will come here? Null equals to null, condition is true. Again what you are going to return? 0. So 0 is going to return. So here also 0 is going to return. Then what you find out the values? Tell me everyone. RH equal to 0. RH equal to 0 and LH is also what? 0. In which root it is? In which root? 222. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఏమొచ్చి చెప్పండి. We started from here. We are going continuous recursively. We are calling LH equal to how much, students? 0 we got. RH equal to 0. Then apply in this formula, everyone. LH equal to how much? 0. RH equal to how much? 0. Left height 0. LH. RH 0. Can you tell me 0 greater than 0 condition is what? False. False means which one is executed? If it is true, this one will be executed. If it is false, this one will be executed. What is the answer here? 0. In the place of this total, what it is going to replace? 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. So finally, what it is going to return? Return 1. So return 1. Okay, here I am going to write it. So return 1. Return 1. Now my question for all, who call 222 function? Who call this 222 function? Here. Getting everyone? Height of 222. So now this return 1, now it is going to move from here to here. Are you getting everyone? Now here LH equal to how much, students? 1. Getting everyone? Getting everyone? How I am going continuously recursively, so that many times now I am coming back. Okay, when you call 222, it is call again 222 function. LH equal to height of null, RH equal to height of null. So 0 plus 0 we got 1 answer. Now here LH equal to how much you got? 1. Then what about 333, right? 333 left end వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్ మనకి 1 వచ్చింది. ది 333 రైట్ అండి. 333 రైట్ లో మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది స్టూడెంట్స్? నల్ కదా. సో నల్ అంటే వాట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు రిటర్న్? 0. So now what it is going to return, students? 0 it is going to return. Now RH equal to, students, RH equal to how much? 0. Now these two values again you have to apply in this function. LH I calculated, RH calculated. Next function is, which is a bigger one. Again in this you apply everyone. What LH you got? 1. RH 0. LH 1. RH 0. Now tell me condition true or false? True ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం రిటర్న్ చేయాలి? 1. Now in the place of entire, what it is going to replace? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now what it is saying, students? What it is saying? Return how much? Return 2. It's clear everyone? Return 2 to which function? Who calls 355? Now from here, this particular result is now moving from here to here. Now here tell me, students, everyone, what is the LH value? 2. And tell me what is the RH value? 0. Compulsory 555 write also 0. No need to calculate. Here 0 is going to return back. Again here how much values are there? LH is calculated, RH is calculated. Now I have to calculate which one? Return. Now tell me everyone, what are the values we have to update in this? 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 0. What it is going to replace? 2 it is going to replace. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So this particular return 3 is going to copy to here. Yes or no? Again I want to ask you question. Who called this 355 function? Main function. Now this particular result send back to here, send back to the main function, and finally in the place of this what it is going to replay, what it is going to display? Answer 3. Clear everyone? So this is the height of, అందరు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఏమైనా వర్క్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని పక్కగా డిస్టెన్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Clear everyone? Okay, once again I am showing the diagram. Okay, can you tell me what is the height of this tree? 3. Now my questions for all. What is the height of 50? What is the height of 50? 3. What is the height of 20? 1. What is the height of 30? 2. What is the height of 50? 3. అందరు చూడండి. Suppose here I added one more node. Under careful students, careful chudali. Suppose here added one more node, 10 node added. Can you, I am asking question. After this, I am asking you question, everyone. Now you got it. How many nodes are there? That is our height. Now tell me height of 50 here. Height of 50. Oh, height of 30. Height of 30. Height of 20. Height of 10. Now again listen everyone. Again listen carefully. Listen. It is root. Listen carefully. What is the height of root? What is the height of root? 4. Where root is available? Where root is available? 50. Now I am replacing this with here. What is the height of root? What is the height of root? 3. What is the height of root? What is the height of root? Are you getting? What is the height of root? What is the height of root? Are you getting everyone? Clear? Now again my question again everyone. What is the height of root points to left? 3. What is the height of root points to right? Null. Now my question for all again. What is the height of root? What is the height of root points to left? Clear kada everyone? Ardhamaindi kada everyone? Height function clear kada? Now we'll go to is AVL function. I'm saving this. Later you can write it. Students, if you are in BSD code everyone knows insert function, delete function. In that code, if you add height code, it is height BSD. Okay, height is clear. Next, if you add is AVL code, and addition to insert code, delete code, in order code, height code. Additionally, if you add one more function, the meaning will change. For BSD code, if you add height function, it is height of BSD. Are you getting everyone? For BSD code, if you add height function plus is AVL function, it is which code? Is AVL code. Okay, listen everyone. Now we have to understand this. If you chepan everyone, which code? Try to understand what you are passing. Root and end. What is the root? I am opening this diagram everyone. Is AVL. Yeah. Everyone see carefully. Me cheppali answer. Okay. What is the root value? 555. What is the 50 address? 333. 20 address? 222. Okay. Now I'm going to write students. Now main function, coming to the main function, I'm calling students again. I'm creating 50. And students, everyone try to understand here the code what I written. I'm not used any create function. I'm not used any insert function. I'm not used any delete function. Here like this also you can create. Everyone see here what I written, please everyone read. Root equals to create 50. It means 50 is going to be create. First node is going to be create. Next what I written? Directly without create function, without any function, without any switch case, directly I am writing. What I am writing? Root points to left equal to what I am writing? Create 30. Next what I am written? Root points to left equal to what I written? Create 20. Suppose students, here I want to add 10. Then how to add? Can you tell me how to add in this? Cheppandi ela rayali? Just copy this. Cheppandi em rayali? Root points to left equals to static data under the instance static data. So directly you can access the addresses. Left points to what should I write? You create a node by using malloc function. Then you have to add it. Can you add here, everyone? Can you add here 15? Can you add here students 20 and 25? Can you add here 25? How to add here 25? 20, right? I want to add 25. Can you tell me how to add? Root points to left points to what will write here? Right. Are you getting everyone? Like this also we can write. So I don't want this. I want only 3 nodes. So now I'm going to explain the code. Yes, everyone. Now I successfully create a BST. Now in BST, now I'm having this BST. Now the first node address available at where? Root. Now here in the code, what I written? Is AVL of root. Is AVL of root. Which function I'm calling? What I'm passing? What is the root value? What is the root value? 555. Your calling is AVL function with 555. Yes, on the top it is there. Now this particular function you're calling and what the address you're passing, students? 555. Yes, I'm written here. Is AVL function with how much value written? 555. Yes, everyone try to understand the right set, the code. 555 you passed. Okay, here only I'm explaining. Which value you passed here? Tell me. 555 you passed. Now tell me everyone, is 555 is equals to null? Condition is false. Okay, that is okay. అందరు ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటుంది, మంచిగా వినండి. నిద్ర వస్తే లేచి నిల్చొని క్లాస్ వినండి. అర్థమైంది కదా? నెక్స్ట్ LH ఈక్వల్ టు, ఇందాక చెప్పాను అందరు చెప్పాలి. LH ఈక్వల్ టు హైట్ ఆఫ్ 555 left, height of 555 right. Can you tell me what I'm going to replace here in the place of this? 555 left and the height. Height, directly height చెప్పండి ఎంత? 555 height 3. అతను ఏమన్నాడు? రూట్ పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అన్నాడు. లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఎవరున్నారు అక్కడ? 30. అంటే ఎంత ఆన్సర్? 2. So 2 in the place of this, what it is going to replace? 2. Now in the place of this, what it is going to replace? 0. LH equal to how much you got answer, students? 2. RH equal to how much you got answer? 0. Clear everyone? అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? సింపుల్, వెరీ వెరీ సింపుల్, నథింగ్. ఓకే, నౌ చెక్ ద బ్యాలెన్స్. అబ్సల్యూట్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ LH. LH అంటే ఎంత? 2 minus 0. కండిషన్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. ఓకే, 2 minus 0 అంటే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? 2 వస్తుంది. ఆన్సర్ అబ్సల్యూట్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 2. 2 less than or equals to 1, condition is false. If 0 something logical aligned means what? Enter is false. So when enter false means what it is going to, it is false, right? It is, if it is true means return 1. If it is true means what it is going to return? 1. If it is false means it is come from the if condition and what is there? Return 0. So 0 and every return cheyali. In the place of this, what it is going to return? Return 0. To which place? Is AVL. Now in the place of is AVL, students, what it is going to replace? 0. ఇప్పుడు కోడ్కి వెళ్దాం. ఈజ్ AVL ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఏమొచ్చింది? 0. The condition is false. So what is the answer? Tree is not AVL. The question now it is appears like, sir, when it is AVL? Is clear everyone? The tree is not AVL. Now the question appears again, students. Now I'm written. That also I'm written. No problem. See everyone. Now which is the root here? Which is the root? 50. Everyone please tell me the addresses. I'm asking. 50 address, 50 left address, 50 right address, 777. Just imagine, ante. Now what is the height of this tree? 2. Only one direction you go, not total number of vertices. Any one direction leaf. Root 250. Ikkada ఎంత ఉంది? ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది? 2. Okay. Now this particular function now will apply in this. In this code will apply. In this code will apply, students. Everyone. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కోడ్ ఇదే కదా? యా, ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. yes, ఇక్కడ. Yeah. Now is AVL of 555? Is AVL of what? 555. Please tell me everyone. Is AVL of 555? మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి, పైకి వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే, పైకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చేసాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ ఏముంది కోడ్? ఏముంది చెప్పండి మనకి? ఏముంది కోడ్ చెప్పండి? హైట్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ పాయింట్స్ టు లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ డౌన్ ఏం రాయాలి? హైట్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ పాయింట్స్ టు రైట్. Yes, clear everyone? Height of root points left, height of root points. Now tell me, students, in this diagram, root points to left height and the root points left height and the only okate node undi enta 1. Root points right height and the 1. So what the values are going to replace here? 1 minus 1. 1, 1. So absolute value of 1 minus 1. What is the answer will come? 0. So 0 less than or equals to, they mention some 1 or something they mention. Condition is what, students? True. Condition is what? True. True. Mari idi enduku rasaru? Can you tell me why they written this code? Students try to understand in this particular code how many nodes are there? ఇక్కడ మీ ఆన్సర్ ఏమొచ్చింది? 50 దగ్గర నీకు ఏమొచ్చింది? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏవిఎల్ వచ్చింది. మళ్ళీ మీరు ఏం చెక్ చేయాలి? 30 is AVL or not? 70 is AVL or not? Suppose in the down you are having the elements called ఇక్కడ 10 ఉంది. Suppose you are having the elements called 10 ఉంది. Suppose here you are having 40. Suppose here you are having 60. Suppose here you are having 90. What is mean by is AVL? After each this particular node is AVL. We got the answer 1. Next, what you have to check? It's left 30 is AVL or not. Next, 70 AVL or not. 10 is AVL or not. 40 is AVL or not. 60 is AVL or not. 90 is AVL or not. These are all you have to check. Getting everyone? So that's why, students, in the code, what they written, students, please tell me everyone, what they written. If it is true, if that node is AVL, then immediately what you have to check is its left is AVL or not, its right is AVL or not. Are you getting everyone? So this is a code related to is AVL. What's the first code we discussed? Tell me everyone. Height of PST. Second code is AVL or not. Next code ఏంటి? టాటా ఇస్ తెలుసా? టాటా ఇస్ జస్ట్ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీవన్ లైక్ టాటా ఇస్ ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు అందరు ఇక్కడ. బట్ who will win? Right, very good. Okay, students, the last question. Now I am telling rotations. Now how we can do the rotations? Okay, students, before rotations I am going to tell you one thing. Carefully chudandi students, very important. Okay, nidra raavadu students, I am telling everyone. Okay, get ready. Now the diagram is going to change. The last code I want to finish in 15 minutes. కనిపిస్తుందా డయాగ్రామ్? ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది చెప్పండి? డయాగ్రామ్లో ఏమని చెప్పండి? లెఫ్ట్ డాటా, height, right. Students, I told you, like, if you learn height code, you can learn is AVL also. If you learn BST code, you can learn AVL code. If you learn BST code with height code got. If you learn BST code, height is AVL code got. And in BST code, if you add this variable, what's that variable? Height. Now it becomes what now? AVL creation, AVL deletion, AVL creation, AVL deletion. What is addition? In the previous one, up to now we discussed data, left, right. Every node having data, every node having left, every node having right. Now addition to that 3 fields, one more field, what is adding? Height. Now coming to our code, students, coming to this code, students, so delete code is not. Delete code. Just I'm going to tell you. Yeah, insert code is required. Students, carefully listen. Carefully, I'm telling the flow directly. Carefully vinandi. Now I am telling only left right rotation cheptanu. Listen everyone. So I'm minimizing the code. This entire code is not required. Okay. Yes. Let us start. Let us start, everyone. Okay. Now, students, everyone go to the main function. Create one one node. What is that? Insert root 50. So what it means? Can you tell me what it means? It will go to create function and it will insert. ఇప్పుడు create చేస్తున్నప్పుడు how many fields are going to create? Left data. How much I stored? How much I stored? 50. Next, I here very important. When you go to create function, okay, one second, అది కావాలి మనకి. When you go to create function, the memory is allocated, data is allocated, left and right is null, and no new node points to height equal what I'm mentioning 1. New node points to height equals to 1. ఇనిషియల్ గా అంటే ఏ నోడ్ మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసినా కూడా లెఫ్ట్ నల్, రైట్ నల్, data will be stored, and initial height how much? Initial height how much? 1. Listen everyone, I'm telling the story. అందరూ ఇక్కడ చూడండి. First from this line to it will go to the insert function. Listen carefully. Insert function, keep 50 will be passed. Initially your node becomes null. Return create of key. So create function కి వెళ్తుంది students. After that it is going to all the fields and the address of node is created called 555, and it is going return back and it is going to appear here. The address how much here? 555. Please listen everyone. Now next, what is the next node? Next node 30 insert చేయాలి. 30 insert చేయాలని మళ్ళీ ఎవరిని కాల్ చేయాలి మనం? అగైన్ ఇన్సర్ట్ ఫంక్షన్. అందరూ అక్కడ చూడండి. ఇన్సర్ట్ function, what is the key? 30 is less than our root value how much? 50. So ఈ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అవుతుంది మీకు. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఎక్కడ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి? నోడ్ పాయింట్స్ టు లెఫ్ట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఇన్సర్ట్ నోడ్ పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది స్టూడెంట్స్? I'm writing because already I told these are all how to insert. Just I am taking this and I'm updating here. Please listen carefully. When you are adding a node in AVL tree, what it is going to happen? What is the data you are added? 30. Everyone, ఏం యాడ్ అవుతుంది? 30 యాడ్ అయింది. లెఫ్ట్ ఏంటి? నల్. రైట్ ఏంటి? నల్. హైట్ ఎంత? 1. What is the address of this? 333. Where you have to update? Here. Listen carefully. 333 you have to update here. And it is connected. Students, ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. ఇక్కడ 333 యాడ్ అయింది కదా? 333 యాడ్ అయిపోయింది. లెఫ్ట్కి వెళ్ళి యాడ్ అయిపోయింది కదా? సో ఈ కోడ్ అంతా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిపోయింది కదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇప్పుడు మన టాస్క్ ఏంటి? ఇఫ్ యూ ఆస్క్ యూ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ 53? What is the height of 30? What is the height of 20? But in this diagram, what is the height of 51? What is the height of 31? Because ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ కాలే. ఇంకా చూడండి ఎవ్రీవన్, అక్కడ హైట్ ఎంత అప్డేట్ కావాలి? 2 అప్డేట్ కావాలి. ఎలా అప్డేట్ అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ నేను చాలా డెప్త్ గా చెప్తున్నాను. వెరీ మచ్ డెప్త్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్. ఐఎమ్ టేకెన్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 hour ఐఎమ్ టేకెన్ టు ప్లాన్ దిస్ ఆల్. ప్లీజ్ లిసన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ కోడ్ ఇక్కడ వరకు కోడ్ అయిపోయింది మనకి. ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ కంప్లీటెడ్, సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ ఇన్సర్టెడ్ హియర్. బట్ ఇక్కడ కింద చూడండి, BST లో కోడ్ అప్ టు ఇక్కడ వరకే ఉంటుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. BST లో మీ కోడ్ అప్ టు ఇక్కడ వరకే. ఇప్పుడు AVL కి వచ్చే వరకు ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి. AVL ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఈ కోడ్ ఆడైంది, అంతే, ఏం లేదు. సింపుల్. అంటే మీరు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసిన ప్రతిసారి మళ్ళీ ఇది కూడా రన్ చేయాలి కోడ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్కడున్నా చెప్పండి, వేర్ వి ఆర్. సో ఇక్కడ హైట్ 1. సపోజ్ కన్సిడర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దిస్ ఈస్ అవర్ నోడ్. ఇది నోడ్ అనుకుందాం మనం. ఇక్కడ ఇది నోడ్. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాం స్టూడెంట్స్? ఆఫ్టర్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ దిస్ నోడ్, ద హైట్ బికమ్స్ 1. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఇట్స్ పేరెంట్ నోడ్. After inserting, before inserting 30, after 50 it will insert it left as 30. After 30 it is going back to here, going back to the parent. And what is the value of, what is the address of this? 555. Now students, everyone see here. Node ante node points to height and ఏంటంటే students, which this node after inserting here, we are going back to the parent. Here I am updating the height. What is the who's actually first ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఇది స్టోర్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. నోడ్ ఈక్వల్స్ 555. ఓకే, సో నోడ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 555 హైట్. సో 555 హైట్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత మనకి 1. ఏంటి వాట్స్ ద ఫార్ములా దే మెన్షనింగ్ 1 ప్లస్ మ్యాక్స్ ఆఫ్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ నోడ్ పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్. వాట్స్ ద నోడ్ పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ ఎంత ఉంది హైట్ ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. సో నోడ్ పాయింట్స్ రైట్ ఏంటి నోడ్ అంటే ఎంత మనకి నోడ్ అంటే 555. సో 555 లెఫ్ట్ ఎంత 1, 555 రైట్ ఎంత 0. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ మ్యాక్స్ ఆఫ్ 1, 0 మ్యాక్స్ ఆఫ్ 1, 0 ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి. I'm writing here node points to height equals to node points to height equals to 1 plus max of height of node points left ఎంత వచ్చింది 1, node points right ఎంత 0. సో మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొచ్చింది ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ node points to height equals to how much students 1 plus 1 2. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఆఫ్టర్ అప్డేటింగ్ దిస్ కోడ్ హౌ మచ్ విల్ బి అప్డేటెడ్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి 2 అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది స్టూడెంట్స్ 2 అప్డేట్ అయింది కేర్ఫుల్ లిసన్ హౌ మచ్ అప్డేటెడ్ 2 is updated. Now we'll insert one more node students. One more node will insert here. Now how much data we are going to insert, can you tell me please everyone how much data we are going to insert? How much 10. The data is 10. నిద్ర పోతురు ఎవ్వరు మాట్లాడతలే నేనే ఊరుకుంటా పోవాలి ఇక్కడ నల్ హైట్ ఎంత 1. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ నోడ్ ఈ నోడ్ అడ్రస్ ఎంత అమ్మా 222. ఓకే సో 222 is added here. Tell me everyone ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు ఏమేమి అప్డేట్ కావాలి నౌ we are at here. ఇప్పుడు మన నోడ్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్ దిస్ ఇస్ అవర్ నోడ్. ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసావు కదా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినాక నీ వర్క్ ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి పైకి వెళ్ళాలి. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి వి గో అప్ టు ది ఇట్స్ పేరెంట్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సో నోడ్ విల్ బి హియర్ అవర్ నోడ్ విల్ బి హియర్. నోడ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు అప్డేట్ చేయండి హైట్ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నోడ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్ మళ్ళీ అప్లై చేయండి నోడ్ పాయింట్స్ టు హైట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏం చేయాలి 1 ప్లస్ మ్యాక్స్ ఆఫ్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ నోడ్ పాయింట్ అండ్ ఎంత రిప్లేస్ అవుతుంది చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ 2 it is going to replace again it is going back again it is going to update here. Now node is holding what 555. Now 555 left how much 2, 555 right how much 1. Now here how much it is going to update how much చెప్పండి లాస్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ 3 వస్తుంది. Now tell me students what are you getting AVL tree how it is balancing how are you getting ఫస్ట్ మన నోడ్ ఒకటే ఉండే 50 ఉండే తర్వాత ఏం యాడ్ చేసాం 30 తర్వాత ఏం యాడ్ చేశారు 10. Can you tell me now what is the height of 50 3 height of 30 2 height of 10 1. క్లియర్ కనిపిస్తుందా డయాగ్రామ్ లో ఎవ్రీవన్ క్లియర్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. నౌ after that immediately you are having one more step students in just 5 minutes we are going to finish it. ఏముంది ఇక్కడ ఏముంది అక్కడ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేయాలి ఏం పంపించాలి నోడ్ అంటే ఎంత అంటే ఇది ప్రతి ఒక్క నోడ్ దగ్గర క్యాలిక్యులేట్ అవుతుంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒకసారి 555 దగ్గర ఒకసారి 333 while going up at each and every node the balance should be updated. Now what you are passing here 555 దగ్గర చూద్దాం మనం 555 ఇక్కడ 555 ఏ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేయాలి గెట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ వెళ్దాం అక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం yes get balance what's the n here n equal to how much 555 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఏం యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ నోడ్ అంట ఎందులో స్టోర్ చేశారు మీరు n లో స్టోర్ చేశారు n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 555 చెప్పండి n వాల్యూ అంటే 555 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు కండిషన్ ఇస్ ఫాల్స్. మళ్ళీ ఏమన్నాడు రిటర్న్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ n పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ నోడ్ పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఎంత మనకి 555 లెఫ్ట్ ఎంత ఉంది హైట్ 2 ఉంది అండ్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ 555 రైట్ ఏముంది 0 ఉంది. సో రిటర్న్ 2 with balance factor. So now in the place of this where in the code in the place of this students what it is going to replace balance equal to how much it is going to replace 2. Now ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయండి 2 greater than 1 అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఎంత ఉండాలి మీకు -1 +1 0 but it's beyond the +1. So the balance factor is unbalanced. Then what you have to apply return right rotate of triple five. Right rotate of triple five. Right rotate of triple five. Yes, right rotate of. We'll go to the right rotate of triple five. Now y equals to additional one more is adding. Y equals to triple five. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కోడ్ ఈ 4 steps is going to do right rotation. Okay. Right rotate of triple five. So this triple five address I am storing in where, students? Y. So y equals to listen carefully everyone. కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ నోడ్ ఎవరి దగ్గర యాక్సెస్ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్? ఎవరి దగ్గర యాక్సెస్ ఉంది? y దగ్గర స్టోర్ చేసాం, అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసా చెప్పండి, జస్ట్ అప్లై చేయండి. ఇందులో ఏం రాసి అప్లై చేయండి? x ఈక్వల్ టు y పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి చెప్పండి, ఏమేమి వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ x ఈక్వల్ టు y పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఏం రాయాలి? x ఈక్వల్ టు ఇది y కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఇది y పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? 333. ఎందులో స్టోర్ చేయాలి? x. నేను ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను క్లియర్గా అమ్మా, ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను x లో. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు చెప్పండి. x లో మనం ఏం స్టోర్ చేయాలి? x ఈక్వల్ టు y పాయింట్స్ టు లెఫ్ట్. ఇది y కదా, మెయిన్ నోడ్ విల్ బి y. y పాయింట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఎంత? 333 అంటే అడ్రస్ ఏంటి? ఏం ఎలిమెంట్ అది? 10. సో 30, వన్ మోర్ 10. సో ఇది చెప్తున్నాడు అక్కడ, దాని మీనింగ్ ఇది. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నారు స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇక్కడ డౌన్కి వెళ్దాం ఒకసారి. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏం పాస్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఇక్కడ బ్యాలెన్స్ 2 వచ్చింది మీకు. సో ఏ నోడ్కి బ్యాలెన్స్ 2 వచ్చింది మీకు? 555కి వచ్చింది. సో రైట్ రొటేట్ ఆఫ్ 555. సో 555 మనం ఎందులో స్టోర్ చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు? రైట్ రొటేట్ లో, అంటే ఎంత? y లో. దట్స్ వై ఐ యామ్ రిటర్న్ y is storing the 555. And next what you return? x equal to y points to left. x equal to y points. y అంటే 555. y points left how much? 333. Yes, 333. Yes, it is storing in x. Yes, that I am written here. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? x లోపల నేను ఏం స్టోర్ చేసిన? 333 కదా. 333 అంటే ఏంటి? 30 ఉంటుంది, 10 ఉంటుంది. 30 ఉంటుంది, 10 ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఐ రిటర్న్? t2 ఈక్వల్ టు x పాయింట్స్ రైట్. అంటే x కి ఇప్పుడు x అంటే ఏంటి? 30 కదా. 30కి ఏమైనా చైల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. సో అప్పుడు y ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? నల్. y becomes null. y not y నమ్మది. సో t2 becomes what? null. బికాస్ x రైట్ మనకి ఏం లేదు కదా, x రైట్ ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి t2 ఏంటి మనకి? నల్. తర్వాత స్టెప్ చూడండి, x పాయింట్స్ టు రైట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు y. x పాయింట్స్ టు రైట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు y అన్నాడు. y అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ ఇస్ y అంటే 555 అంటే ఏంటి? 50, 30, 10 ఇవన్నీ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నాడు. x కి రైట్ యాడ్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నాడు. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత? 50 యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ సారీ 50 లెఫ్ట్ ఏంటమ్మా? 50 లెఫ్ట్ 30, 50 లెఫ్ట్ ఎంత? 10. జస్ట్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. x రైట్ విల్ బి y నౌ, అంతే కదా. x రైట్ ఏం యాడ్ చేయాలి? y యాడ్ చేశాను స్టూడెంట్స్. నౌ y అంటే ఏంటి? ఇవన్నీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ వస్తాయి మళ్ళీ మీకు. నౌ స్టూడెంట్స్ లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. మళ్ళీ ఏమన్నా చూడండి, y లెఫ్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు t2. ఇక్కడ y ఎవరు? y అంటే ఏంటి? ఇదే కదా 555 కదా, ఇది ఇక్కడ ఉంది 555. ఇది y. ఇప్పుడు y లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఇదే కదా. y లెఫ్ట్ నేను చెప్తున్నాడు t2 అన్నాడు. t2 అంటే ఏంటి? నల్. నల్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది స్టూడెంట్స్? దిస్ ఎంటైర్ ట్రీ is going to be deleted. Now what is the top now? 30. It's left how much? 10. It's left how much? Right how much? 50. That's it students. Thank you for your